There are about 10 or 11 acts or things that invalidate one's wudu, and that if any of these happen and you want to pray, you need to do wudu. Well, we're familiar with most of them. Number one is al-bawl, urinating. Whenever a person urinates, that invalidates their wudu. The second one, al-gha'it, when someone has a bowel movement, that also invalidates the wudu. Number three, as the Imam ﷺ explains in one hadith that the author discusses here, passing gas. That also invalidates the wudu. Number four, sleeping. Whenever you fall asleep, if you were on wudu, that invalidates the wudu. You need to redo your wudu for another prayer. But what kind of sleeping? The Imam ﷺ here, we have a hadith from him. The Imam ﷺ says, قَدْ تَنَامُ الْعَيْنِ وَلَا يَنَامُ الْقَلْبُ وَالْأُذُنِ. Sometimes your eyes are closed, your eyes are sleeping, but your ears are still awake. You can still hear. Your mind is still awake. Your brain is still awake. The sleeping that invalidates wudu is the full sleeping in which you're no longer able to hear. So if your eyes closed, but you can still hear, you can still discern the voices and sounds, Islamically you're still not asleep yet. Whenever you can no longer hear, then know that you fell asleep. You know that sometimes happens. Sometimes you're in a lecture, right? Especially if it's a boring lecture. Or you're at a program and you're falling asleep. So your eyes close, right? Your head even falls down. But you're still hearing. Now yes, you're not concentrating, you're not paying attention to what the speaker is saying, but you're hearing the sounds. That does not invalidate your wudu. Only and only if you completely fall asleep such that you're not hearing anymore, then you consider yourself to have fallen asleep, and that invalidates your wudu.